To set the clock on your Redondo radio with the thumb rollers, first press and hold the left inside thumb roller to turn the unit on. Once powered up, press and hold the right outside thumb roller until you see AutoSeek or manual on the screen. Press and release the right outside thumb roller until the current time is displayed. Rotate the right outside thumb roller up or down to adjust the hours. Then press the outside right thumb roller to set. Rotate the right outside thumb roller to adjust the minutes, and press the roller once again to set. Rotate the right outside thumb roller once more to select either a 12 or 24-hour clock. Let the unit time out to accept the changes.